Hello, my name is Victoria. This is the Science Channel. Today we will be learning about the planet Mercury. This is the symbol for Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to our Sun, and it is the 8th largest of the 9 planets. Mercury is a small rocky planet. Mercury has been visited by the Mariner 10 spacecraft. Mariner 10 has mapped a little less than 40% of Mercury's surface. Did you know scientists still think that there may be volcanic activity on the planet Mercury? The temperature on Mercury ranges from 90 degrees to 700 degrees. Mercury might even be so hot you could take a suntan and you will be all black. Unlike many of our 9 planets, Mercury has no moons at all. Not even a little tiny speck of moon is on Mercury. Oh, and that is all for the Science Channel. Thank you, everybody. Bye. Bye. This is Mercury. Mercury has a lot of craters because Mercury only has a little bit of atmosphere around it. This is the Mariner 10 spacecraft. And that's Mercury.
Okay. You have anything else that you're going to do to yours?
No.
Okay.